Welcome to Grandad Reviews. This is going to be a super quick video comparing the face and eye detect between the Fuji X-S10 and the new X-H2S. Just done two quick videos, one looking at the face and eye detect in video and one looking at it in stills. So let's have a look at the video. Right, so our next setup is I'm going to try and do a test in stills. The previous one was video, so I've got it on pre-AF, we've got it on wide tracking on the AF, we've got eye and face detect on, and we'll see how we get on. We're still at 23mm, so we'll leave it at that. So let's try that setting. And as you can see, it's a big step up from the X-S10, which is the same as the X-T3 and the X-T4 in the autofocus performance. It really does stick to the face, and it follows and picks up the head and the face eye from a lot longer distance and a lot quicker. You don't have to really be that close to the camera for it to detect you. and if you look sideways, turn around, it's still selecting your head, waiting for that eye to appear. So yeah, it is a big step up, and makes a big difference, especially if you're doing vlogging or even for weddings and that sort of thing. So that's my conclusion then. It is a big step up in that sense. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.